What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kevin Smiley. Welcome back to KevRD2 TV, your positive car culture channel. Today, as you can see in the title, we are back on the build, man, doing another mod to my 2014 Honda Genesis Coupe 3.8 Ultimate, aka the Gen Coupe Batmobile, dude. As you can see in the title, we're installing side splitters, but the side splitters are a little plain, but we're gonna add a little pizzazz, little custom touch to it, courtesy of the homie down at Below Zero. So in this vlog, we're going to be having him install it. I know I can install it myself. It's over 100 degrees outside. I'm picking up this custom touch from him, and then we're gonna go ahead and have him go ahead and install it. It's pretty easy. But yeah, this makes it easy for me, and I don't have to put this off for like a week or whatever like I usually do with car parts that's sitting in my garage. So without further ado, we're going to jump into and get started, man. All right, so here are the side splitters. They're pretty basic, just, you know, just plain side splitters. But yeah, the custom touch we're going to be doing on it, it's going to be pretty awesome. So we're going to go ahead and just load these up in the back of the Batmobile and hit the road. You guys, just as a side note, when carrying these side skirts in your car, dude, don't put them in the middle like I had them in the beginning. Put them off to the side right there. Lean your passenger seat forward if you don't have a passenger. If you have a passenger, then yeah, good luck trying to hold them up or whatever. So yeah, just put them right there on the side like that. That's a good little tip for you guys. All right, so we just got to the spot, whatever, and end up running to one of the homies that I met before, Nismo Dreams. Well, I've seen this car before. I'm not sure if I met him before. I've seen this car before. But this is an example of what we're going to be working with today as far as what mine's going to look like. But he's getting his front splitter, but he's getting it done right. He already has the canards. And then if you look underneath, oh, he has that. That's very important. I had somebody actually put one of these on and didn't attach those, and he sucked up his splitter underneath the car. So don't do that. Then, of course, he has a skid plate. Done right. Nice, man. Nice build. Let me show you real quick what we got. So this is what the Batmobile is gonna have on it. So you guys see the vision. See the vision? See what I'm doing? So yeah, looking good, man. I can't wait. It's gonna be awesome. So yeah, we'll check out one of the homies' cars right here. It's a Sentra. Looks nice, dude. One of the homies that was at the Together We Feed food bag giveaway, drive-through, and car show. Yeah, so he showed up a little late. I'm not sure if I filmed his car when he was there, but yeah, there you go. Nice fitment. We was talking a little about his is the SR Turbo. Ooh, nice, dude. I like that. But yeah, he was talking about his suspension, his coilovers he has, and everything like that. Pretty cool setup. Like it. All right, so we got started. We had to wipe them down a little bit. They were really dirty. It's one of the homies taking off right now. Straight pipe, man. That's nuts, dude. I should have caught the other one, the Nismo. I didn't catch the Nismo Sentra when he took off, but yeah. So yeah, he getting started with the drill holes for the actual. Sorry, I'm out of breath from freaking cleaning that thing. It's hot today. All right. So yeah, one of the first things we're gonna do is take off this little, I don't even know if you call that even a mud flap.
I know.
Little mud corner thing or whatever, just to make it to be able to fit correctly. But yeah. So here's the progress. I like the way he kind of had it come in on the front, so it's not just out too far in the front, and then progressively get wider in the back, so make room for that. So. And that's his little technique. I like your technique, man. It made me think about that. I'm like, that is an awesome technique. I did something similar to that when I did my front splitter.
Oh yeah.
I used some jack stands to hold it up. If you're trying to work by yourself, then there you go, man. He's drilling into place, man. He makes it look so much easier than what it is.
I've done enough cars.
Yeah, he has a lot of experience, man.
It'd just be better if I had a shop, though.
Yeah. Goals, man. Everybody has goals, man.
Yeah.
Same thing. All right, you guys, so here it is, man. Oh my goodness, dude. The car's still jacked up. We're not done yet. He's still working on the other side, but I want to show you this. Oh my God, look at that. Oh man, well, you know you're gonna get some cinematics, dude. I'm gonna have to get rid of the 7. Just I want to be able to see everything look perfectly, but I'm gonna show you what he did and the way he mounted it that I like. Instead of nothing against my homie Curon, but my homie Curon had his come out just straight in the front, straight in the back. He had it so he kind of tilted it a little bit, so it's small in the front and it gets a little bit bigger, and then it comes to the back and it doesn't stick out too far. That's perfect because I was paranoid that it's gonna make it harder for my wife to get in and out the car, and she's gonna step on it or her feet's gonna touch it. So I'll still warn her, of course, but that was one issue I had when I got in and out of Curon's car too, is I had to lift my feet out further because he had it sticking out further. But look at that. And then let me show you what he did, since I didn't really film the install. So it's pretty simple for you guys, just to show you. Just the self-tapping screws at the mounting points. You know, however you want to mount it, you can put how many you want. You could put one here and then go in the middle and then one there, or however you want to do it. It's all just, you know. And then as far as the side skirt, I don't know any information about where my homie got the side skirt, but you can find one of these for cheap online. You guys can go with a different style if you don't like this, that's fine. Just showing you the progress of the car and what's going on and everything. So you guys go, there's a close-up how it looks. Ooh-wee. So you guys are gonna get the vote if I remove the 7 or I keep the 7. You guys comment down below. I like the way it looks. Ooh-wee. So what do y'all think, man? Let me know. Thinking about removing the 7, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, shout out, man. So what's up, dog? Like, I appreciate the work that you did on this. Is pretty awesome. So you guys know, follow me on Instagram below 0.
Yep.
Any other information
As
far as like what they can just contact you on Instagram,
yeah,
right?
Exactly.
Yeah, just
I
below
do all
0
kinds of custom work as well.
Yeah, so check out his work. Just check out his Instagram. That's mainly gonna kind of sell you on it or whatever, and just come on down here and get your install like this, man. So I appreciate it, man. Fist bump, dog. Appreciate it, dog. And that's gonna be it, y'all, man. It's a little short vlog, but little small touch to it. And of course, rear diffuser is in the garage, so that's gonna be the last step for the ground effects kit. And then we'll move on to the tail lights, and then we gotta save up to get that custom wing, dude, for the Batmobile. So we're getting some work done on it, man. So I hope you guys are enjoying the content, and it's gonna be it. All right, you guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, man. I'm happy with the results, man. A little extra touch for the Batmobile. It's awesome. The only thing is, of course, it looks a little green when it's up against the body panel because of the black background. But when the sun hits it at a certain angle, it just pops, dude, and actually glows a little bit when the sun hits it. I like that. It's a little extra touch. What do you guys think, man? Comment below. Let me know what you think. But regardless, if you guys don't like it, it's my car. I'm enjoying it. I actually have a rear diffuser in my garage, and that's up next. So stay tuned. More awesome content, more mods coming. Don't know what to do next, dude, but yeah, we'll figure it out as we go, man, what the mods are going to be next. Obviously, like I said, rear diffuser, some other stuff I have planned. So just remember, hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed the content. Hit the like button. This one's a little bit shorter than the rest of them. Trying to keep the content down to just the bare minimum, so I'm not keeping you guys for 20+ minutes videos. Special ones I do that, but yeah, that's gonna be it. Just remember, as I say at the end of all of my videos, always see the glass half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe. It's your boy Kevin Smiley signing out. Kevin TV. Peace.